Hi, this is a tutorial on entering your credits when they are not approved. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share how to do this, starting with a blank slate. Just log into your account, go to certificates here, and then enter CMTEs there. This is not mobile responsive, so you won't want to do this on your phone, but you just hit details there and then go here to workshops. And if you did not get a CMTE certificate, like an official one, then you just go here to add whatever you did. Could be a Mindstorm Monday broadcast. It could be a jam along. Okay, go to completion date, and let's say you completed it, I don't know, January 4th of this year. That's totally fine. And let's say it's the jam along. Let's say it was the jam along Women in Folk edition. All right, the number of minutes were definitely 50. Enter number of minutes. Location of CMTE was at Music Therapy Ed. Is this related to ethics? No. You can choose a proof of attendance, which can be a screenshot. It can be a screenshot of or it can be the invitation. And then you can either upload your written summary or you can type in your written summary here. In this broadcast, we learned how folk songs are used in recovery settings. And then you just want to make sure it's 250 words. Save. You want to hit save before you hit next. And then, of course, here we are. Here it is. And then we're going to hit next. Now, the cool thing is that when you enter this, hang on. Okay, so that's that. And then actually you just want to get out of all this stuff. So this is going to bring you down the line of all of these. Just go straight to summary. That's fine. Summary. Okay, fine. And then let's actually go to, right, let's go back to the dashboard. So if you want to go back to the dashboard, okay, when all items have been submitted, then you'll want to submit, but you don't want to submit yet. So let's just see what's included, right? So in order to get to the dashboard, it looks like you actually have to click on return to dashboard. There we go. That makes sense. And so if we go here and then let's just see what our account kind of looks like. Candidates, I don't know. Let's see here. Enter CMT. So let's see what we've got. Here's the details of your application, your recertification application, and you'll see that this one was entered. There, this one was entered. So it's there, it's just sitting there and it's just waiting. Now, when you're ready to certify, that's when you want to hit submit. But in the meantime, this is where it's hanging out. You can always edit it, I believe. So if you wanted to, yep, here it is. This is how to edit it. And if you wanted to add that written summary in later, there you go. It's all saved here for you. And then at the end, when you're ready, when you're finally ready to submit, then you just follow these instructions. Follow these instructions on how to submit to CBMT, and then you'll be recertified as pending audits or pending questions that CBMT may have for you. I hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in.